back at the lake. We got the Oxidigger out here running 4S with a 42 high rake Oxidean prop, CHNL battery, 6,000 milliamp. We'll throw her in the water real quick and we'll see if we can't have some fun. Ooh. Oh. Alright. Yeah. Boom tubes moved a little bit. Not bad. Let's give her another rip. And we flipped her because of the birds. Hello, GoPro. right, that tape came off back there, so we're gonna call it on this battery. All right, guys, we'll check some temps. Motor 86, ESC 91, battery 94, connectors 104, 110, 111. Yeah, they're feel warm. Well, thanks for tuning back in, guys. We will take this one back to the garage. We will tighten up the boom tubes again, and I'm going to bring that offset back a little bit towards center. All right, we'll see you guys soon.